Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Structure of DNA. Today, we will study the structure of DNA. DNA is a double-stranded hereditary material found in the form of a double helix. Right in the middle of the cell, there is a nucleus, and inside the nucleus, there are the chromosomes, which are made up of 40% DNA and 60% protein. DNA is called deoxyribonucleic acid. We will read the reason for this in today's article. DNA is made up of small units. These units are called nucleotides. And then each nucleotide is made up of 3 more components. Number 1, a pentose sugar, that is deoxyribose. Number 2, nitrogenous bases. 3, phosphate group. Pentose sugars are called deoxyribose sugars because this 5-carbon ring carbohydrates, that is sugar, does not have an oxygen at carbon number 2. This is because a hydrogen atom is present in place of the hydroxyl group at carbon number 2. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases. Number 1, adenine. Number 2, thymine. Number 3, cytosine. And number 4, guanine. Adenine always bonds with thymine, and there is always a double hydrogen bond between these bases, whereas cytosine always bonds with guanine, and there is a triple hydrogen bond between these 2 bases. In a nutshell, DNA, which is also called deoxyribonucleic acid, is a combination of 3 things: pentose sugar, nitrogenous bases, and phosphate group. DNA is the genetic material that contains all the biological information of an organism. A specific sequence of nitrogenous bases that codes for making a particular type of protein is called a gene. So we can define a gene. A small specific sequence of DNA having particular arrangement of nitrogenous bases is called a gene. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for quick and easy concept.